Hello all you beauty people and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Obviously you can tell by the title down below we are doing another subscription unboxing. This time it is Boxycharm Premium. So I'm so excited to see what we got in this box and to see what I'm keeping and what I'm possibly giving away. So if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, I post videos 2-3 times a week. Obviously I'm blank faced today because hopefully I can try on some of these products for you guys. The videos I do post though are beauty, lifestyle, and makeup videos. So like this one I do subscription, I try on makeup. I do lifestyle, DIY hacks, all types of little things on here, organization videos. So if that's something you're interested in, I would love for you guys to go ahead and be a part of the hashtag DEEVAFAM here on my YouTube channel. So please don't forget to go ahead and subscribe down below. If you've been here before, love you guys, welcome back. So let's just go ahead and jump into this. You know the gist. If you like videos like this, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you don't miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D, and let's just go ahead and get into this. Alright, so for us we've got Boxycharm Premium for this month. This is the $35 box. So Boxycharm has a 3-tier in their subscription. You've got the $25 box, which is their base box, which you get 5 full-size products, basically $5 a piece. And then you've got the $35 box, which you get 6 full-size products, so an extra $10 for another additional product. But I will tell you, I think Premium is worth it so much, because Premium typically you get a lot of more high-end name brands, and a lot of the times when they do collaborations with brands specifically, you're normally going to get that in your premium box, which is the $35 box. So you have to subscribe first to the $25 box, and then you can get onto the wish list or on the wait list for premium, and then typically it takes about a month or so or less to get onto it. I will tell you the last box that I got, which is another reason why I was so excited to be a part of premium, was a whole Anastasia Beverly Hills themed box. They've done a Fenty one in the beginning when they first released Boxy Premium, but the Norvina one was just mind-blowing. If you guys would like to see how amazing that box is, I'll gladly go ahead and link that video down below for you guys. But trust me, you're going to want to sign up for Boxy Premium. I also have a referral link down below for you guys to sign up. I think I just get points towards more makeup when it comes to Boxycharm, but again, it's so worth it, especially with the Boxy pop-up store they also have, and also the customization and items that you get to choose in your boxes, which are so great. So, and then obviously the larger box, which is the $50 box, that one comes quarterly, so I think you get that 4 times a year, every 3 months. So that actually is this month, so I will have that one coming up here soon. That one is very fall themed. But yeah, I'm excited to show you guys what I got into this box. So this is the Boxycharm Premium box. Again, it's a little bit bigger than the base box, but sometimes it's also the same size as the Boxy Luxe box. I don't know. So we've got some paper in here. And then this is what the card looks like. It says BTS, which is behind the scenes. So kind of just a bunch of makeup. I think more or less they did BTS behind the scenes because of Fashion Week, which is this month. So New York Fashion Week is this month, and it kind of kicks off all that stuff with the Met Gala and awards and yada yada yada, because that just happened the other day. So yeah, thoughts. If any of you guys watch the like red carpet for the Met Gala, some of those looks were just stunning. So anyways, let's just go ahead and jump into this. Again, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products that are in here for us. And obviously if you guys haven't been a part of my subscription unboxings, the items that I do not like or I just would not fit in my fancy or what I'm just not into, I actually put into a monthly giveaway at the end of the month. So that video should be coming soon. Actually, that'll be in my last box unboxing, which is the Boxy Luxe video, since that's the one I'm going to be doing sometime after this one. So definitely go ahead and keep an eye out for that. So you definitely want to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel down below and be a part of the DEEVAFAM if you want to be in that giveaway. And the subscription giveaways are typically for US only, but I will be having an international giveaway coming around sometime soon once I hit my 600 tier, which is coming up shortly. You guys are so great and amazing. I'm already halfway there. I'm so excited to hit 600, and obviously if you guys didn't know, every single time I hit a tier in my subscriber count, I do an additional giveaway for the month and that one is actually open to US and international. So again, if you're watching this video and you are an international subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so we can do another giveaway for you guys. But yeah, okay, jumping into this, I'm gonna tell you right now, something's going on with Boxycharm and IPSY, because they are like crossing products, and I'm starting to see it now that they are underneath the same umbrella, the same tier. If you guys have noticed this, please let me know, but I feel like I'm not the only one. So this right here is the Complex Culture Beauty Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager, which is $58. We already got this in an IPSY, like not that long ago, because I remember giving this away. This is what it looks like. So it is by Complex Culture. So yeah, I'm giving this away again. I'm just not into the facial tools. I have one by PMD that I use on my face because it's like more of like a rubber, like silicone feel to it, because you can wash your face on one side with it and the other one you can use to put on serums. That one I like because of also the vibrations that are in it and just how it feels on my skin, but I don't need another tool. And I also have the ones that you kind of like roll on your face. So again, I keep getting these tools and I don't need them, but one of you guys might need it. So this is going into this month's giveaway. So there's that. Again, that is $58. A product I will be keeping is the Hey Honey Trick and Treat Lip Balm and Berry Balm with natural tint. So this is what it looks like. Hey Honey. I've tried a few of their products. I really like their like copper mask I had a long time ago. Whoa, look at that. Now that is pretty. Okay, like I said, you guys, I've got a blank face and we're trying this on because I want it on my lips. It says it's a lip treatment, but it's like tinted, so okay, it's kind of tinted, but man, A, it smells delicious, B, it feels amazing, but C, I kind of wish it actually had that tint to it. Like, it looks like that color, but that's not what it's giving. Well, I guess it's kind of giving that little bit of a more of a natural lip, or a tint to my lips now. But that is worth $23. $23 for a lip treatment. I'm gonna be honest, I'm okay on that, because honestly, I can buy this Morphe one, the Morphe 2 one, which is the Lippy Lullaby lip mask, and this thing is amazing. I think it just feels as good as my lips as the Laneige ones do, so I don't know, but hey, $23, and realistically I paid like not that much for it, so honestly, good deal there. Alright, the next item, which I do remember, I think this was a choice item I picked out. This is the Fenty Beauty Snap Shadow Mix and Match Eyeshadow Palette. I don't own anything from Fenty and their eyeshadow quad, so actually I'm going to go ahead and keep this, because at some point, once I have almost all the Fenty different products, because since Fenty we get that a lot in these boxes, I kind of want to do a full face of Fenty sometime soon. So I think that would be a really fun video. The sticker was coming off the back of that, weird. But yeah, it's a plastic component. This is what it looks like. Again, that is $25. Super duper cute packaging. It's nothing special to me, honestly. It is more on like the darker tones, so there is a little pop of color with the purple. Again, I don't think it's anything special, but I'll still keep it and use it. The shades are You There, Wipe It Up, Risky Richie, Upper Class, Hey Auntie, and Getting Toasty. This is the Snapshot Shadows in Too Cool Neutral. So yeah, these are definitely neutral shades. I think it'd be a cute palette to kind of travel with just because of how small it is, but it's also really versatile because you do have some of these shimmers in it. You could do a really cute like matte look with it if this is something that you wanted to travel with. I'm going to go ahead and just take it out of the packaging because I hate keeping the unicartons when there's no point to it whatsoever, especially if you're going to keep it and use it. So definitely have a bunch of unicartons on the floor right now at the moment. Okay, so moving on. The next item, I think I was actually able to choose this one too. This is the Tarte, or I saw this and I think I got really excited when it was an option that I got put in here. This is the Tarte Seek Lotion Skin Perfecting. It is a get a lit from within look with an instant complexion perfector inspired by magical glow effect of bioluminescence. It gives a natural luminescence glow into the skin with a micronized pearls that reflect light and blur imperfection. The 4-in-1 complexion perfector works to prime and extend makeup wear and hide imperfections and glows and brightens. Okay, so this is a face primer, so that's cool. When it said Skin Perfector, I wasn't sure if it was going to be, when it says Lotion, if it was like an item that was going to be just like a skincare item, or if this was going to be a primer. So for us, it says that it is a primer. Again, I already have our makeup on, but I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, and so we can kind of try that on our hands really quickly. So it is kind of one of those type of, like it says Lotion. It kind of reminds me of actually how, okay, so it's not as shimmery as I thought it might be when they say Lotion. It just kind of gives that like natural glow, like it says. But when I was thinking like Lotion, like Glow Lotion, I'm thinking more of like the L'Oreal one, or maybe even more like the IPSY one, which is like another glowy primer. But this glow primer is a little bit different, it has more of like a shimmer in it than that hydrating aspect. So I actually think I might use that one because it seems like it has more of that like nourishing effect to your skin compared to the other ones, which are more just like a lot of glitter and shimmer. So again, that right there is worth $32. And then the next item we have is, alright, so the next item that, I don't know why I was looking around like that, something just felt weird. Okay, the next item that we have here is by Beauty Bakery. This is the Milk and Honey Highlighter Palette, and this is worth $38. So I have a few items by Beauty Bakery. I have an eyeshadow palette. I've got their baking flour setting powder, and then I think that's pretty much it. So I really don't have much by Beauty Bakery, so I'm definitely gonna go ahead and keep this and possibly do like a full-on video, maybe trying on a lot of these products, but these definitely look really, really pretty for our face. So again, you've got Honey, Oh Honey, which is like the pink shade. You've got Queen Bee, which is more like this dark shade. Then you've got Milk and Honey, which is this, it says Be Sweet. And then you've got Spoil Alert. So Spoil Alert looks more like my shade. So does Queen Bee, more or less when I'm like more tan. As for Oh Honey and Be Sweet, I'm unsure about how those are. So I kind of want to swatch that one. Okay, so Be Sweet kind of has more of like a oranginess to it. That one you can almost use like an inner corner highlight because of how shimmery it is. The Spoiler Alert looks more like a pearl shade. That's like really white, stark white. Okay, so Queen Bee seems like that might be the better fit for me in my skin tone maybe. So there's that one. And then last but not least, we've got Oh Honey, which is the bottom shade. So honestly, between all of these, I feel like Be Sweet, Queen Bee, and Spoiler Alert will probably work the best for me, or an Oh Honey. Spoiler Alert is like stark white. Like I don't even know how that would even work on my skin tone. Maybe as an inner corner highlight I could use it that way, but we'll figure it out. Because this is just really cute packaging. Like the packaging is just A+, A+. Like look how cute that is. Loving that for sure. So again, that right there is worth $38. And then the last product, okay, this is kind of cool. I've never had one of these items before, so I'm excited to try this. This is the Tan Luxe Super Glow Hydrolonic Acid Self Tanner Serum. So for a self tanner serum, the first hyaluronic acid superfood self tan serum, your best skin day ever, all bottled in. It combines a high weight hyaluronic acid and extreme low molecular weight sodium hydrolonate. Oh my god, hydrolonate. And this enables multi-level, instant, and long-lasting hydration, leaving the skin looking and feeling firm and more radiant. With a 4% DHA tanning active, oh my god, can I speak today? With a 4% DHA tanning actives, for daily use. The innovative formula is derived from organic rapeseed oils plus 7 superfoods. Okay, so I'm concerned just about like how tan this will make your face. I've never ever tried one of these before. So I definitely want to look up the reviews first before I try it out on my face, because again, I'm kind of in that phase where I'm a little bit on the pale side right now at the moment. Yeah, I'm a little bit on the pale side right now. So I'm concerned of how tan it'll actually make me look. Because I don't want my face to be tanner than my, you know, my neck and the rest of my body. So that's just kind of interesting. But and how long lasting is it? Is it just like kind of like a day thing where it kind of just tans your face for the day, or is it something that's like long lasting over the time you use it? It'll just be like a self tanner. How will it affect your hands? I don't know. I need to definitely go ahead and look into that a little bit more. So we will for sure definitely do that. I've got a missed phone call from a number I don't know. Sounds great. Okay, what else? So let's go ahead and add this up and see if we got our full price value. Now for Boxy Premium, I believe it's supposed to be over $175. Why I question myself on that every single time we do these videos, I don't know, but I do. So $25 for Fenty, $32 for Tarte, $49 for the tanning serum, $38 for the Beauty Bakery, $58 for that Sonic tool, and $23 for the Hey Honey lip treatment. Brings our total to a full $225. You guys can see that on the screen. So $225, obviously we got our price value out of this box. Again, I'm excited because just look at this. So we got Fenty was one of the first items that were in there. Tarte's another high-end product. You got Beauty Bakery, which is a really great company. Hey Honey. So I'm really actually surprised by this box a lot, honestly, because there's a lot of really, really great products in here. And I think I was only giving away one of these items. So there's that. So I apologize guys, but this was a great box for me this month. So, but if you didn't see my IPSY video, the IPSY video actually had more products in it that I gave away, which I'll obviously review over in my other video once we kind of get to the very end of the giveaway. So there is that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get on over and start unboxing that box so we can kind of keep this a little bit rolling, so I can have these videos kind of timed out, because I'm actually leaving for vacation in about a week now, I think. So I'm excited. I need to pre-film as much as possible, so I think some of these videos I will save until around that time to release, especially that giveaway video will probably release more or less towards the end of the month, like it always is. So again, I appreciate you guys stopping by. You know the gist. If you like videos like this, don't give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you don't miss a video with me, your girl Senior D, and I'll see you in the next one. Also, don't forget to leave me your comments down below. I forgot to say that on what you guys thought about this box. So anyways, love you guys. Bye.